first I'm going to talk about the moving average. So if you pull up a broker account, look at your chart, this is going to be on Webull. So if you look at the MA here, you can see that there's one set for 5 and 10-day moving average. You can click on the indicator tab over here, and then you can click on the MA for moving average. It'll bring up a default MA 5-day and MA 10, so you can see the green and the blue here, and then you can see the corresponding lines on the chart. So basically, to switch those, we're going to go over here and kind of click on one of these. If it takes it off, just click the MA again. And go to the indicator settings tab right here. It'll bring up the MA moving averages. So you want to change them. We're going to use 2, 8-day and 14-day. And we can go to style, and you can put in whatever color you want for your lines, and just make sure these two are checked. So the 8-day and the 14-day moving average, and hit done. And let's go to the 30-minute chart. So you can see here that it looks like the green one, the 8-day moving average, is moving upwards here. And you can see that 14-day is underneath here. So it looks like it's trending up over the 8-day moving average. But you see this red candlestick here. So that would flag me to say, let's not put in a trade. We can confirm this by going to the 5-minute chart. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you can see there's a difference here, and that red candle is actually trending downwards. So you can see that the moving average will show the price action, and just make sure you look at which time interval on the chart you're looking at. So you can zoom out with the 30-minute, right? We saw more of an overview of the chart trend. But if you go to the 5 minutes, see what's actually going on in there, you wouldn't want to place a trade right now because of these red candlesticks going down. And also you can see that this green moving average is actually underneath the MA14, the blue one. So you can see it's trending down. Now, when you trade, you want to use multiple indicators. So I have the volume chart here below, and you can go ahead and you can click on your indicator settings, and you can put on the volume. So we'll click on indicator settings, and I went down and I clicked on the volume chart. So that's how that popped up on the screen here. So make sure you look at, you can zoom out a little bit, and you can see on the support, when these candlesticks started to get a little smaller in here, you can see that it's, hitting a resistance, and it's going to go back down. The next thing you can do is you can draw a trend line. So on this 5-minute chart, we can move into the 1 minute here, and you can see even more, it's really trending down right here. Now, drawing a trend line, you would go up and you can click on the drawings button, and you can click on here. It'll give you a tab to draw different lines. I'm just going to use a horizontal line going across to show you a support line here. So you can see at this line here, that's when it was, hitting the support line, but here it broke through, and you can see that because of these red candlesticks going down, you wouldn't want to trade this right now. You would want to wait for it to break up towards the trend line here with green candlesticks going up. That's when you would want to place a trade. So using different indicators, make sure you have at least 3 indicators that you're using, and make sure you're looking for a bullish candlestick. You're looking for it to cross the support line here, and you're looking at the moving averages. So this green one should be trending above the blue when you go to place a trade. So just remember, that's when you would want to place a trade, when you see this going back up here. Okay, and keep an eye on your different interval charts, as they're going to tell you an overall picture, and then they're going to tell you exactly what's going on in there. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.